along here. Today I'm going to be making an easy rigatoni pasta. All right, I'm going to make a baked pasta, and this is going to be really delicious with a spicy sausage. What's going to make it a little bit more unique is the fresh ricotta and also the basil pesto and some fresh garlic. Who doesn't love garlic? Before we start cooking, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. First off, I've already pre-made my rigatoni pasta. Just follow the directions on the packaging. Next, I've also pre-mixed my 1 pound of fresh ricotta cheese, and I've seasoned it with salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to heat that up in a pan. If you couldn't get spicy sausage, go ahead and just put some crushed red pepper in. Saute that quickly, and then you're going to add your sausage and your onions, and you're going to just brown that and crumble. It's just going to be really fragrant and delicious. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta into the pan, mix that all up, add your marinara, okay, 3½ cups of that. Then I'm going to add about 3/4 of the mozzarella inside, all right? Get that nice and cheesy. Once that's all mixed up, in a big, large baking dish, I'm going to go ahead and do half of the pasta and layer it on the bottom. Then I'm going to take the ricotta and I'm just going to dot it all over the layer of pasta. Then I'm going to go ahead and put that last bit of pasta all on top and finish dotting the ricotta cheese right on top. All right. Then you're going to just finish the last 1/4 pound of this mozzarella, and then we're going to put all of this in the oven, and we're just going to bake it for about 15 minutes till it's nice and golden. But really quickly, the basil pesto. Probably about halfway through baking time, you're going to go ahead and pull that out, and we're going to dot that basil pesto all over the top. Then we're going to finish baking it off, pull it out, and you're going to have a delicious baked rigatoni pasta with tons of flavor. I hope you enjoy it.